What up guys, Live Eventually, checking in. Nice to meet you. And today we're going to give you 6 reasons why you should improve your credit right now. Some of the reasons may surprise you. Stay tuned.
Numero uno, it is easier for you to get hired. Your credit tells a lot about you. It tells what financial position you're in and if you are dependable and reliable and responsible. Paying your credit card on time and having a high credit score shows diligence, shows that you are a responsible individual and that you are not going to spend over your means in order to impress people or even to show off or anything like that. It means that you're going to be a dependable person that are going to do things in a timely manner and that you're a responsible individual. This will move you up through the ranks faster and make you look great on paper.
Guys, this is especially important for government jobs and any jobs dealing with finance when you're going to be handling money, making decisions, potentially hiring people and also firing people. So the more you go up the ladder, the more it's important for you to have a good credit score and good standards. You'll be seen more as a trustworthy person and a responsible person. At number 2, guys, you're going to have a lower credit card APR. People with good credit tend to have a 12 to 15% range of credit APR. Bad credit, 24 to 30. That's almost more than double, guys. So think about it like this, guys. You shouldn't have credit card debt, but in case you do have credit card debt, at least you're gonna have a lower rate to pay off versus that 24 to 30, guys. Very small detail, but it makes a big difference in the long run.
And transitioning into our next one, it is a favorable mortgage rate. And if you're looking to buy a house or a home or a condo, a boat, any asset that is going to require a mortgage or a credit check, you're going to want a favorable interest rate with your mortgage. When you're dealing with a mortgage, you have so many obstacles in getting this, and you do not want your credit to be one of those obstacles affecting you from getting a home or a condo or whatever it may be. If you have bad credit, chances are they're still going to award you that mortgage. Having a great credit score can give you a favorable mortgage rate, which will make things a lot cheaper in the long run. So make sure you're paying attention to that in terms of looking at mortgages.
Number 4, guys, you'll be viewed as a responsible renter. You may not know this, guys, but a lot of the apartments that are in good neighborhoods, good school districts, require you to have a good credit score, guys. You may not think this is fair or unfair, but a landlord or property manager view your credit score as how good of a person are you and how good of a person are you at taking care of things, guys. If you have a bad credit score, that means you might treat my property badly because you don't care about yourself. How I expect you to care about my things, guys. So at number 4, guys, you'll be viewed as a trusted renter. This is why you need to improve your credit score to put yourself in a better neighborhood, a much safer neighborhood, a more affluent neighborhood to provide you more opportunities.
And segueing into number 5, we have the approval of financial loans and things of that nature. Having great credit allows you the ability to do various things, but getting approved for a financial loan can be very difficult if you have bad credit. Along with that, if you apply for a loan with bad credit, your interest rates can be astronomical to the point of where you cannot pay that back monthly. You're going to be struggling to pay that back, or you're paying a minimum payment, which is going to take you forever, and those interest rates are going to double and triple the loan amount that you made in the previous part of this. So make sure that when you are applying for financial loans that your credit is tip-top shape, that you're at least in good standing at the very least, so you can have a lower interest rate, because loans can carry over time and definitely triple the amount that you'll have to pay down the road.
At number 6, guys, take advantage of credit card reward points and bonuses, guys. All the perks that come with it: hotels, trips, rental cars, lounges, access to certain clubs, certain parties, guys. This is why it's important for you guys to pay down your credit, get it in good standing so you can take advantage of life and take advantage of all the opportunity that's out there for you guys. There you have it, guys. 6 reasons why you should improve your credit today, right now. Pay it down right there. You got more things on budgeting, got more things on finance. Click down below. Let us know what you think. Live Eventually. The world is yours.